Coming up on this season of Street Singing Superstar. Pumunta kami sa 6 na iba't ibang lugar sa at sa palibot ng Manila para maghanap
I love his Tagalog accent. Yeah, he has a cool accent.
ng mga awesome singers. There's some low notes
Anatano.
Be beautiful.
and some high notes.
And if somebody alone.
High notes is always the crazy
Hit
one.
the subscribe button to join us on our journey as we look for your next Street Singing Superstar.
This is Street Singing Superstar, the newest online singing search show.
This show is a great idea.
Ito na ang inyong host, si Graham Cagill.
Hi guys, ako po si Graham Cagill and welcome to Street Singing Superstar. It's the show where we go to the streets para hanapin natin ang susunod ninyong singing idol.
I mean, to find a talent in the street, I think this is a easy mission, yeah?
Named after the first mayor of Quezon City,
Because everybody can sing, yeah? Almost everybody.
Tomas
And that's amazing by itself, yeah?
Morato Avenue is a busy street in the heart of Metro Manila. Known for its comedy clubs, restaurants, and karaoke bars, ito ang perfect na lugar para maghanap ng mga singers. Let's hit the streets. Pumunta na kami sa Tomas Morato dati.
Deja vu. Apart from this time, we're covered in masks.
With the restaurants practicing new norms, ang daming food delivery riders sa lugar.
You wanna sing? Sino magaling kumanta? Kahit konti lang. Hala pa, gusto mong kumanta? Kumanta? Yeah, would you like to sing?
Yes.
Yes?
I mean, it's a little bit early in the day. That's why a little bit people feel a little bit shy, I think. I don't know.
Awesome, man. Anong pangalan niya pa?
Kevin po, Kevin.
And taga saan ka?
Taga dito lang po natira.
What song would you like to sing for us today?
Ikaw na nga, by Darilong. Ikaw na nga ang hinahanap ng puso, ang siyang magbibigay ng saya, ng tamis at lambing.
Judging from the voice, the way he sound, and this is somewhere in other country. He could be the best guy in the city, you know, or somewhere outside of Philippines. But here is like he's regular, like he's like everybody else. But that's amazing.
Sa buhay ko, ikaw na nga ang bawat panaginip ko. Sa piling ko'y nagkatotoo ang lahat ng mga pangarap ko.
So good.
I don't even understand what he's singing about, but I'm enjoying it, yeah? Because he sounds so good, yeah?
Kevin. Wow, Charlie, look at the crowd.
Kung ano po yung gusto nyong marating, magsikap lang po kayo sa buhay po. Tapos kung may talent po kayo, ilabas nyo po, wag po kayong mahihiya. At yun lang po.
He has a talent for sure, 100%.
Ang susunod na singer ay isang kakilala ni Fantasia, who sang previously on the show.
Let's ask. Saan si Fantasia?
Ay, may lakad. Saan daw si Nelson, si Patricia? Ay, nasa bahay po.
Gusto mong kumanta? Maiksi lang pa. Maiksi lang pa. Gusto mo?
Sige.
Anong pangalan niya pa?
Edgar Gabuya.
Edgar. And
Even his name sound like he's somebody, you know, with a talent, you know.
taga saan ka, Edgar?
Taga Scout Limbaga.
Awesome, you live here. So, anong
That's
ginagawa mo
amazing.
sa buhay?
Nagtitinda ng pagkain ngayon kasi hindi kami nagtinda ngayon kasi pahinga.
Sabi ko, baby, what's your name? Sabi niya, Olive, I-V-E. Sabi ko, baby, what's your game? Sabi niya, all the way, baby. Come on. Si Olive ay aking sinabmarin, pero siya'y bitin pa rin. Siya'y bitin pa rin. Suportahan po natin.
This is actually fun. It's 100% fun. And it sounds like he sing with personality, you know? That's amazing.
Yung street singing superstar. Maganda po ito at yung project po nila talaga marami pong matutulungan. Maraming salamat po.
Next up is Joel, who used to live in Japan.
This guy is chasing us down. What's up, man? Gusto mong kumanta?
Kumanta?
Opo.
Ano kakantahin ko, sir?
Any song?
Any songs?
Yung paborito mo?
Japanese, okay?
Okay, Japanese.
Okay, Japanese.
This is the first Japanese song on Street Singing Superstar. Anong pangalan niya pa?
And this is the first time for me to hear Japanese song, huh?
Joel.
Joel.
Yeah.
And taga saan ka, Joel?
Taga Valenzuela, sir. Pero dito ako kay Manuling Murato. Yes, sir.
Sino ang singing idol mo?
Si Lionel Richie.
Oh, you look like Lionel Richie with the mustache. So, what song could you sing today?
Japanese song. Ex-Japan. Ikoku no sora mitsumete kodoku wo dakishimeta nagareru namida.
This is crazy, actually. It goes to show you that they don't only sing good at their own, in their own language, but even in the other language, they sing even better. This is amazing.
Toki no kase ni kasanete owaranai anata no toiki o kanjite.
I remember the mask itself making it harder for him to sing, you know, and the voice to the mic and stuff like that, yeah?
Dry your tears with love. Dry your tears with love. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Para po sa inyong lahat yung kinanta ko sa mga taong nanonood, sa lahat ng people sa buong Pilipinas.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Singing is always a good time, yeah? It's a universal language, yeah? Always good time.
Last singer of the day was Tisai, a parking attendant from QC.
Anong gusto mo?
Tagalog, English.
Any? Anong pangalan niya pa?
Tisay.
Isay. And taga saan ka?
Taga rito.
And sino ang singing idol mo?
Si Ogie Alcacid.
Ogie Alcacid. Awesome. And what song can you sing?
Ikaw sana. Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala nang ako'y malaya pa at hindi ngayon ang puso ko'y may kapiling na? Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala nang ako'y nag-iisa?
He actually sing very well. I don't know, man. This is amazing.
Sino ang iibigin? Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala nang ako'y malaya pa at hindi ngayon ang puso ko'y may kapiling na? Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala nang ako'y nag-iisa? Sino ang iibigin?
Actually, I'm enjoying it, actually. If I got invited to somewhere and this guy sing, I wouldn't say nothing, man. I would be enjoying it, yeah?
Ikaw sana.
Sound good. Wow, ang galing mo. Yeah!
One more.
I love the fact everybody is cheering him up and, they're supporting him. That's amazing. Somewhere else, different countries, they will be laughing at you like, don't do that again. Even if you sound good, nobody encourage each other, but that's why talent is easier to find, everybody supporting each other, yeah?
That's so good. Ang galing. Mala Ogi.
First of all, Graham, congratulations on your show. It's really great that you're discovering singing superstars from the street. Ngayon, para kay Tisay, gusto ko sabihin sa'yo, Tisay, nabigla ako sa galing mo. Maraming salamat at kinanta mo yung kanta ko. Matagal ko nang hindi naririnig yung kanta ngayon at ang ganda-ganda mo siyang kantahin. Lalo lang yung mga sustained notes mo, punong-puno ng puso. Nakakatuwa.
He actually done a good job finding talent in the street and stuff like that. He actually did. I got nothing to say, but this is amazing show, yeah. And I have actually enjoyed it. That's amazing. You guys will find his details in the description below, yeah.